औज़ुबिल्लाहिस्समीउल मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वबिही अस्तईनु फी जमीइल उमूर रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Blessed Friday of May 7th, 2021, the last Friday of the holy month of Shahr Ramadan al-Muazzam, Jum'atul Wida, Mubarak Muhanna to global residents, Muslimin, and followers of SAMS, Sayyidina Ali Qadar Mufaddal Saifuddin, Atala Baqa'u Sharif ila Yawmiddin, with special request to do dua khususi, special dua to enable SAM Sheikh Akbar Ali Mirza Climate Smart Trust to enhance the Kyocera CSR funds plus the funds of all NGOs by 5% by converting the funds into pure gold coin, which is equivalent to 0.025 gram gold, to enjoy inflation-free life and business. सारे मुसलमान भाइयों को आज का मुबारक दिन, जुमातुल विदा का मुबारक दिन, मुबारक मुहन्ना हो। सारे लोग जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा, मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा, करबला मुअल्ला, नजफ़ुल अशरफ, बैतुल मक़दिस में मुकीम हैं, वो हमारे हक़ में ख़ुसूसी दुआ करें ताकि हम दुनिया के ये कोविड-19 के जो मसाइल हैं, हेल्थ केयर के मसाइल और इकोनॉमिक मसाइल को हम हल कर सकें। हेल्थ केयर के मसाइल को हल करने के लिए हम सैम्स व्हील ऑफ लाइफ फार्म स्कूल, हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स जो है वो सारी यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपसेस में बना रहे हैं, वेयर Excalibur rapid test will be used to test the residents, and COVID plus families will be treated with best treatments which is available, approved by WHO, as well as the treatments, alternative treatments developed in China and India, so that we can, make everyone healthy and enjoy inflation-free total quality life in our 110 homes, self-sustaining community in Koto communities in SAMS, Aligarh Muslim Tajir Tijarat University Climate Smart Campus Towns, which we are building in Buffalo Gold Mine and global gold mines of Africa, as well as in Australia. So SAM Tequilma Trust is acquiring the gold mines so that, we can provide and convert the assets of the residents of our planet into pure gold coin to enable them to, combat inflation and enjoy total quality inflation-free life. Everyone is welcome to join us, with 1 PGC. With 10 PGC, you get the annual membership. 1,000 PGC members will be also getting the Sa'adat of Umrah. And 5,300 PGC, Global Executive MBA, STAM graduates will be, owning the Buffalo Gold Mines and our facility in Texas to demonstrate climate smart agriculture in Garg dairy farms, so that, the best immunity boosting food can be grown, cooked, and served to residents of our planet. So everyone can participate. Vibrant businesses and families can migrate to USA with 110,000 PGC, and they will be able to enjoy a total quality inflation-free life in a new climate-smart America, which is being created by President Biden. So everyone is welcome to join us. We are also setting up our campuses in Uganda, along Lake Victoria, where people can enjoy beautiful, really fantastic total quality life in a beautiful environment of Lake Victoria in Uganda. We are also setting up our campuses in Freetown, where we have incorporated SAMS TQLMA Global, Sierra Leone. So everyone can participate and everyone can start basically a jewelry business by acquiring the gold and diamonds from Africa at members' price to start the jewelry business. We have started the package of 5 kilogram gold can be imported from Africa. We are selling that gold to TQLMA Club members at $48,000 per kilogram, so that they can enjoy, they can make jewelry out of it and enjoy a sustainable profit. The profits of Door Gold sales to SAMS TQLMA Club members will be parked in SAM Climate Smart Trust, where the funds accumulated in SAM Climate Smart Trust will be used to build our hospitality center in global university campuses to combat COVID-19. And this fund will also be available as Kardan Hasana to all member businesses to grow their business or to take their business to the second level. So everyone, we have solutions for every individual, for every family, for all businesses of our planet. Everyone can join SAMS TQLMA Club and start enjoying total quality, inflation-free life and business by controlling COVID-19 in 2021, and then we collectively enjoy this beautiful life in 2022 and beyond. Welcome aboard to SAMS TQLMA Club to enjoy total quality life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Iltamasu dua again, during the final moments of Shahr Ramadan al-Muazzam and advance Eid Mubarak to all global residents of our planet. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim wa raham wa tarham kama sallaita wa sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka hamidun majid. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.